Hi, my name is Kristin and I work for Daly City Recreation. Today, we will be making mini cinnamon rolls.
Always come when I need you. You know I'll be there for you. Where are you now? Where are you now? Always try my best for you.